Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. Samsung launched the Galaxy Z Fold 5 last year and is planning to introduce the successor of the phone. While the company hasn't revealed any key details about the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6, several rumors and speculations have appeared online in the recent past. A leaked CAD render of the upcoming foldable has now surfaced online. This new render hints that the Galaxy Z Fold SIX's design will differ from its predecessor. Take a look at the expected details of the Galaxy Z Fold 6. Initial leaked images of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 featured cover screen bezels similar to those of the Galaxy Z Fold 5. However, Mrnewmobile has come up with a CAD render of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 in collaboration with US-based case manufacturer Thinborn, hinting at more uniform cover screen bezels. This new information corroborates a video posted on Twitter by tipster Ice Universe that shows a similar design. Samsung hasn't announced any features or specifications for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 yet. However, several rumors and speculations about the upcoming smartphone have appeared in the recent past, hinting at the phone's key specifications. As per recent leaks, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 might flaunt a 7.6-inch inner and a 6.2-inch outer display. This foldable smartphone will be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 is tipped to feature a 200MP primary sensor. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 is expected to come in 256GB, 512GB, and 1TB storage variants. Recent reports have mentioned that the Galaxy Z Fold 6 will feature a 4400 mAh battery with 25W fast charging. Though unconfirmed, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 is anticipated to be unveiled at the Galaxy Unpacked event, which will likely take place on July 10th in Paris. At the event, the brand is expected to release the Galaxy Buds 3, Galaxy Watch 7 series, Galaxy Ring, and Galaxy Tab S10 series, alongside the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Galaxy Z Flip 6. Additionally, there are rumors that the company might bring a new Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. That is it guys, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below. And if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching, see you on my next video. Peace out.